Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what if I told you I found the way to make even more money than dividend investing? Yes, that's right, I found the way to where I made $116 in passive income this month alone. I mean, my best months of dividend investing where I create passive income from investing into these dividend paying companies. My best month so far, I've been making maybe $50, $60, $70 on my best months. But I'm about to show you guys a way on how I made $116 in passive income, just as easy as dividend investing from a company that don't even pay dividends, to where I'm able to almost have a turnaround of 20% in just a single year. Just remember, the stock market usually goes up 6 to 8% every single year, right? For like the last 30, 40 years, on average, the stock market goes up 6 to 8% every single year. I found the way to turn around 17 to 20% in a single year from this strategy alone. Now, I told all my other subscribers about this strategy before, but since I have a bunch of new subscribers to this channel, I'm going to explain to you guys again in even greater detail and show you exactly how I've been collecting this passive income. So if you're new to this channel and don't want to miss out on great strategies like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. But before we dive into it, this is another great way to make passive income. Sign up with Webull by using the link down in the description. By doing that and depositing $100, you'll be able to receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. I'm talking about all of your money. Your $100 that you deposited in the 2 free stocks that you sold, you could withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Also, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That's by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And if you want to earn some dividends from your cryptocurrency, I left a link to BlockFi in the description as well. You can earn up to $250 in free Bitcoin using that link as well. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. First, I'm gonna pull up my spreadsheet and show you guys how I made the $116. And then we're gonna dive into my Robinhood portfolio, and then I'm gonna walk you through it. And then I'm gonna show you step by step, because it can be a little confusing at first, but once you start doing it, it's passive income. All right, so let's pull up the spreadsheet right quick. Here we are on my premiums. I've been selling calls on AMD. This is the second step of the wheel strategy. Right now, we're just looking at 3.5, 3.12, 3.19, and 3.26. On 3.5, I made $41. On 3.12, I made $18. On 3.19, I made $35. And on 3.26, I'm gonna make $22. So all of that combined, it was $116. So I know you're wondering what is this, but I'm about to show you guys in just a second. I'm gonna show you guys on my Robinhood portfolio, but let's pull out the calculator right quick. All right, so here we go. AMD is around $80. So if we pull out the calculator, I made $116 in passive income from selling premiums on AMD. If we multiply that by 12 months, if I make that every single month, by 12 months, multiply that, that's $1,392. And AMD is around $8,000 if my math is correct. That is a profit of 17.4% in a single year of passive income from a company that don't even pay dividends. I mean, it would be amazing to invest into a company that has a 5% dividend yield that pays out monthly, but I'm collecting 17.4% in a single year. Just remember, the stock market only goes up around 6 to 8% in a single year. I'm making 17.4% in a year from a company that don't even pay dividends. I'm making this in passive income. So let me show you guys step by step on how I do this every single week. All right, so here we are on AMD. So what you want to do is collect premiums by buying and selling cash covered calls or puts. So what you want to do is hit trade. You're going to go to trade options. So let me try to explain it to you guys. On March 26th, you're going to start off, when you click options, it's going to say buy call. All right, you want to switch over to sell call if you already own 100 shares of AMD. If you do not own 100 shares of AMD, you want to switch over to sell put. That means you are willing to buy 100 shares of AMD, but you have to have around $8,000 right now in order to do this strategy. Since I already have $100 of AMD, I'm going to switch back over to sell call. I'll do another video on sell puts because I'm doing that on ChargePoint, and I'm making a bunch of money from that as well. So right now we're selling calls on AMD. This is cash covered. Right now AMD is at $80.20. After doing a market analysis on AMD, let's say I do not think that AMD is going to get above $84 by the 26th, right? Now, right here, it says that it's 30 cents per share. When you're dealing with options, it has to deal with 100 shares. So that 30 cents per share is gonna turn into $30. So if I was to do this, I own 100 shares. And if I was to click the 84 call, I already have one for 85. That was earlier in the week. But if I was to click one for 84 right here and buy and put one, that means I'm willing to sell 100 shares of AMD. I will still collect profit. I'm willing to sell 100 shares at $84. But if it do not reach $84, I get to keep my 100 shares. But no matter what, once I hit this review and then swipe up, $30 are gonna get credited to my account. And that's how I've been collecting passive income every single week. If you wanna be super safe, like me, I did an 85 for $21. But if you wanna be super safe and you don't think AMD is gonna reach $86.50, you could collect $11 in premium. But if you think AMD is going to go down, you could be more risky and pick the 83 call if AMD been on the downtrend. Or if you just want to sell, let's just say you bought 100 shares of AMD at $70 and you really don't mind selling it at 83, then you're still gonna make all that profit from $70 to $83, and you're gonna get that 49 cents as soon as you put in that order right now. But if it don't reach $83, let's say it reached $82.49, $82.89, then they're gonna release your 100 shares back to you. You get to keep your 100 shares, and then you get to do it again the following week. So far I've been doing this for 3 months. I have not had to sell any of my shares ever. I've been holding on to my shares. But since you guys stuck around to the end of this video, let me show you guys this trick, because one time the price did go into where I was not comfortable at selling these shares at. So let's say right now I actually have an 85 strike on AMD. I would collect $21, credited it to my account immediately. But let's say AMD shot up to $86 right now, right? And I would be forced to sell at 85. So I'll really be missing out on $1 difference right there. And let's say, I really want to hold on to my AMD shares. I'm not comfortable selling it at 85, especially if it's at 86. So what you'll do, you'll hit the select button at the top right, switch over to buy, and you'll buy your sell call back. You'll buy it right there. And what we're doing, we're rolling it up and out. So right there, it says March 26th. We want to switch over to April 1st and switch it back to a call sell. And we're gonna go above, let's say the price was at 86, now we're gonna go to $87, and we're still gonna collect the difference in premiums. So we were selling it for a $21 premium, and now it's at a $30 premium. And so we'll still be making passive income for the following week. It's just that we moved the date up and out, and we're hoping that the date closed. Let's say we picked that one, we're hoping that next week that it closes underneath $87. Or if you guys want to roll it out even further, like April 26th, 3 more weeks out, and roll it up even further out, let's say $21. Right here, we'll roll it all the way up and out 3 weeks to $95 call, and hoping that it'll close beneath $95, and we'll still collect that premium. It won't be collecting premium every week, but we'll still be able to hold on to our shares. And that's how I've been able to hold on to 100 shares of AMD and collect passive income every single week. And there we go, guys. That is literally called the wheel strategy. Let me know down in the comment section, have you ever heard of the wheel strategy before? I've had a pretty successful month, $116. That is on pace to do 17.5% in a single year. That is amazing, from a company that don't even pay dividends, from a company that I don't mind holding very, very, very long term. Let me know if you actually heard of the wheel strategy. or I'm always looking for new companies to do the wheel strategy on, to do cash covered and cash secure puts and cash cover calls on this channel. So let me know down in the comment section which ones are you already doing the wheel strategy on that has a company that has pretty sweet premiums. Let me know down in the comment section. So if you guys want to do the same trades that I do, I've been successful for about 3 months. I've been dropping inside of my Discord every single time I do one of these cash cover calls or cash secure puts on the Discord. So if you guys want to join the Patreon, click the link down in the comment section. That'll take you to my Patreon page. So every time that I'm making passive income, you could be making passive income too. I drop it in the Discord the moment that I buy it, not a second later, not 2 days later. The moment that I buy it, I drop it in there, and you guys can keep up with that as well. But before I end this video, I want to ask you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And grab your 2 free stocks by signing up for Webull. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.